Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to set up a Fresha account step by step. Open your browser and go to Fresha.com, then click Sign Up. Choose Business Account and enter your business email and password. Fill in the business name, address, and phone number exactly as you want customers to see them. Upload your logo and write a short description that highlights your services and atmosphere. Next, verify your email so Fresha can send confirmations and reminders. Set your time zone, business hours, and appointment buffer times to prevent double bookings. Add service categories, durations, and prices so clients can book exactly what they need. Invite staff members by entering their emails and assigning roles, then sync calendars to avoid conflicts and ensure clients see accurate availability. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video so I can keep making useful guides. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's Black Ice for a clean, crisp scent during client pickups or errands. It pairs nicely with a professional routine. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Now set up payments by choosing a provider and adding your bank details for payouts. Configure deposits or cancellation fees to protect your schedule and cash flow. Customize email and SMS reminders to lower no-shows and improve client communication. Review privacy and notification settings, then test a booking and payment to confirm everything works smoothly before you start accepting clients live.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.